Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, February 28th, 2017. My name's Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, looking at these charts here, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading down by $2.25 today. Right now, futures are sitting at $2,366 a contract. So all in all, a little bit of a downtick, but we've seen this before. We kind of get a downtick almost every day. Then the market somehow, some way comes rallying back by the closing bell. It's been resilient really since November. So we'll see how today plays out. Tonight, we do have a big State of the Union address by President Donald Trump. And we'll see what comes out of that. We'll see how the market reacts, and we'll see where we go on these charts. But in the meantime, we have lots of stocks in the news, so let's take a look at our first stock up here today. Target, TGT is the ticker symbol. You know the company, giant retailer. Stock is getting hammered this morning. It closed at $66.91 last night. It is now trading at $58.48 this morning. Again, I am going to have gap levels for Target once the opening bell rings. So they'll be posted up in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock in the morning. And again, Target coming under big pressure. This could also hurt Walmart. Keep Walmart on the radar today. This could be in play as well. Walmart ticking down a little bit. It's been very strong as of late, but coming under some pressure. But we will have gap levels for Target today posted up in the intraday stock chat room. This will be on our radar today for a trade. Next up, we're going to take a look at Priceline. PCLN is the ticker symbol here. Priceline right now trading at $1,690, closed at $1,632 yesterday. So this is a pretty strong gap up. All in all, Priceline is getting a little bit stretched here, but nothing to say it can't go higher. So if you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, there's not much we're going to do with it right now. Let's take a look at Perrigo, PRGO. Looks like they had some news out as well. Stock is getting hammered today. Closed at $84.68. It's now trading at $75 a share. Again, I don't see anything solid here for Perrigo until we get down to around the $68 level where Pierce is 68. So again, keep this on the radar, but this stock is definitely under pressure this morning. We will be looking at this one in the intraday stock chat room today. Let's take a look at EOG Resources. Again, this is an energy play. Stock right now is trading at $99.70, closed at $97.91. So nice little 2-point gap up. All in all, a lot of resistance up here at this level. So we'll see if we can get through. We'll keep this on the radar for the chat room, and we'll see what kind of pattern we get. Let's take a look at Nutrisystem, NTRI. Stock right now is trading at $47.20, closed at $39.20. So this is an awesome move to the upside. Big pop. Again, the stock is going to run into a wall of resistance right around the $48 level. So be careful here. It's already overbought. We may consider fading this name once the opening bell rings. But again, we'll look at it closer. It is a light volume name, meaning rarely does it trade 1 million shares. In fact, it probably trades 100 to 300,000 a day on average. So again, hard trade to try to short against. But it is very overbought when it gets to the $48 level. Next up, we're going to take a look at LNG, and this is Cheniere Energy. Looks like they came out with earnings as well. Stock right now is trading at $48, closed at $48.91. The only level that I'm seeing here would be down around $44. If it gets to $44, I think it is a trade there at that point. So keep it on the radar, and we'll look at this one in the intraday stock chat room today. Next up, we're going to take a look here at 3D Systems. Ticker symbol is DDD. 3Ds, and there you can see the stock is trading at $16.21, closed at $16.94. So there's not a whole lot to do here. I am seeing some minor support around the $15.25 area, so keep that on the radar today. We'll see where that goes, and we'll see how it plays out. Next one we want to take a look at is Domino's Pizza. DPZ is the ticker symbol here. Stock was sharply higher, still higher on the day. Right now it's trading at $188.23, closed at $185.42. Be a little bit careful with this one. It is fading fast. So we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings, and we'll see where we are. Let's take a look at WDAY. This here is Workday. Stock right now is trading at $85.40, closed at $90.19. Only level that would interest me today would be around $75.85. Keep this on the level. Keep this on the radar. We like that level a lot today. Next up on my radar is going to be Hertz HTZ. The stock right now is trading at $20.15. Closed at $20. They did report earnings. No real movement here. Nothing I would do with this name at this point in time. Leave it alone. In sympathy, if Hertz does start to make a move, want to watch CAAR, which is Avis Budget. Right now, that's holding firm around 33.23. I ultimately think that has another leg down as well, though. So be a little bit careful with that one. Next up, we want to take a look at E-Trade Financial, ETFC. This is getting hammered pretty good this morning. Stock closed at 37.20, trading at 35.44. It looks like Fidelity lowered their commission rate, and that is causing some shockwaves through the online brokers. So again, Fidelity lowered their online commission rate, and that is hurting E-Trade. You also want to look at Ameritrade today. That could be in play as well. That is suffering also. Schwab, SCHW, that could be under pressure, and that is as well. And Interactive Brokers, I believe is IBKR, if I'm not mistaken. Let's take a look. Yes, so that is getting hit as well. So all of the online brokers getting hit after Fidelity cuts their commission rate for online trading, and we'll keep that on the radar today. So we have lots of action, and then tonight we have the Donald Trump speech, I believe at 9 p.m. East Coast time. So again, these markets are about to pick up. I think we're going to get some volatility going. Today we have lots of action in the morning. Want to take advantage of it, and also we're going to have a nice gap play for Target this morning in the intraday stock chat room. Again, we're having a great year in the chat. If you want to come and join us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. We're having a great year and we've got lots of action out here today. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.